Hey guys, I'm Prem, and in this video we are going to make a hero section for our website. So let's get started. Okay, now let's take a frame from here, and now let's give it a resolution of 1920 and 1080, and this is our frame. So we'll name this one UI, and alright, so this is our current frame on which we are going to work on. Alright, so before that we need a few things. We need to make components. For that we can choose that to be on another page. I will name this as UI, and we'll create a new page, and then we'll rename it to components. And let's take a frame for here, and the size actually doesn't matter here. So what we can do is that we can let's put a logo for here. I think I have a plugin called Logo Creator which will help us to place a logo on the placeholder, and alright, so I'm taking this a random logo over here, and I need a color palette for this one. We'll select this one as we'll select this one as a primary, and this one as secondary. Okay, these are our color styles. I know you can choose another color palette, but I think we can work on this. It's only if you want to have different color palettes and all. Okay, I'll need some menu here, so for that we will use component, but let me show you this one. You'll also prototype this one by clicking on the play button. Let's choose Poppins for the font. Alright, so this is our font. What we will do is that we will put it right here and use it at semi-bold, and we'll choose this rectangle and do this. Now we have some color palette. We will choose this one and make this round, and we can even make it a circle, I guess. I think we should go with circle. What we will do now is that we will create an auto layout by clicking Shift A, and now let's do this. Let's choose menu link / default. We'll choose menu link / default. Okay, fine. Over and active. Okay, so for the default we will have something like this. and we don't need this tag. And now we will, for hover we can expand this one, and for active I guess this is correct. I will select all these and we'll click on create multiple components. Now we have all multiple components. We will now click on combine as variants. We have clicked on that. Now we can see that we have some variants like active, hover, and default. So this is our default, and this is our hover, and this is our and this is our active. Okay, now we'll go on to this UI page, and we'll click on assets, frame 1, and let's also delete this one. Okay, so this is our components, and let's drag it and drop it right here. Now we can duplicate all this by clicking alt shift so that it will align well. Okay, I think 5 menus are good for now. If you want vertical distribute, as you can see that 27 is the distance between all of them. Let's make it 30, and this is mainly our all lengths. We'll click on shift A so that it will have an auto layout, which is great if you want it to do. Okay, let's see if it is working. Okay, this is not working because we have not yet done the prototype. So this is on hover and smart animate and ease in and out. Alright, so this will be hover to click active. Okay, all this is fine. Now let's see if it is working. Okay, it is still not working. Let me open this on a browser. Okay, now here it is working. You click on this and this will be selected. Instead of making this invisible, what we can do is that we can open this and we can decrease the opacity. Okay, now the animation looks very nice. Obviously this does not have any conditional logic, so all of them will be collected. Okay, so we need to now change all this. Now we will click on we will type services, portfolio, about us, and contact us. Okay, now this is nice. Let's DigiMate. Okay, I think we should name this one, so that is why I did it. Okay, so now I think we should give some CTA over here, so that whenever a user want to contact them, or it will help the business owner to get leads from it. So CTA would be a better thing for here. We will get a quote. So this would be good. Okay, we will now move this to components. We'll click on Shift A. Now we have auto layout element. We will choose this as I think we should make this a secondary color, and now we can this is not looking good. We can make this white, and white is better for here. We will also make this one as color style, so that it would be very quick to do things. Let's make some padding of 30, and I think for here 15 is correct, or 10 is better. Let's choose plugins, and Iconify is a plugin that I use for icons. And for get a code, we will need some icon that is relating to code. This is good, I guess. Okay, let me choose this icon because I can't get more options there. Okay, so we have this get a quote button. We'll duplicate this one. We can do this bottom, and outside of this, and we'll choose a secondary color for here. Okay, this is nice. Since this is going to be a default one, so what we'll do is that we can reduce size. Okay, so okay, I think this is nice. We will rename this to CTA slash header, CTA slash default, and this as CTA slash we don't need any active class for this one, active variant for this one, because this is going to be button which will show some maybe pop-ups or will redirect to a page, so we don't need that. So we'll click on this one and create multiple components and combine as variants, and this is it. This is default and this is whole. Alright, so we have this also as a assets, so we'll go to UI and click on assets. We'll choose this one and we will just click select all these and click on this so that it will align, and tidy up will help us to do things in a better manner. So let me choose this 1600. Okay, now this is we will choose layout grid here first and choose columns, and the count would be 2 and gutter would be 1600. So as you can see that a line on that we don't need to cross in order to follow the UI design principles. This is going to be padding actually. We'll choose this as logo and this as menu links. Okay, all that is nice. We'll click on Shift A, that means auto layout. We'll now center this. We'll decrease the gap. I think things are good here. We have not made the prototype of this. On hovering, hover, okay, all that is fine. Okay, this is fine. We can make this even smaller, because I think it is getting big. Space between. Okay, all that is fine. So now we will do what? I want to actually add a video behind this one, So what we will do is that we will click on fill and choose image as a here, and I will add a GIF over here. So you can also do that. You can choose any other GIF you want to, but if you need the link of it, you can get it from the description, and you can download and use it. Okay, so let's choose that GIF. Okay, this is our GIF. Now we need to separate this, but because the file size is a bit more, that is why it is taking some time. Because my internet connection is not that good, it is not able to, it is having issues on saving this. I think it is saved. Okay, we have this now. Okay, it will take some time because the GIF has a large size. Okay, so now what we will do is that we will type some text here. Skyrocket your B2B business. With our ready-made business packages. This will be large, and this will have some medium thickness. Okay, color contrast is not that good. We need to do some few things. Let's choose this 90-20 and increase the height of it. And now I'll choose padding of this much. I will choose this as white, and the background should be this. Okay, fine. White is nice here. We'll also turn the black to white. Yes, I guess things are nice here. Now press K and decrease the size of the heading of the site. Okay, so we will click on asset and use the getter code right here, and so do something like this. We also need a gradient for this. We will choose a rectangle of the same size 100, and